Today morning we received the sample results of some of the samples which we had sent in the previous few days. Out of those samples which have been sent, 7 samples have turned out to be positive samples, which takes the total number of active cases in Karaikal to 18. Out of those 7 samples, 2 people are from Lemire Street area, one family, son and daughter-in-law who had returned from Chennai on 16th. They were put in home quarantine, their samples were taken and they have turned to be positive. They have been shifted to the government hospital Karaikal and they are asymptomatic and stable. The other set of 2 positives is again a family from MMG Nagar area, and this is again a family which had returned from Chennai on 16th and they again have turned out to be positive. They have been isolated in the government hospital Karaikal. Another case which is a different case is in Setur area, Tirunellar. This person had come from Chennai on 22nd and had tested positive. They were home quarantined also. So this person had entered Karaikal on 22nd without any valid e-pass from the Karaikal district collectorate. Accordingly, police has been asked to register a case against that person for violation of the conditions of the pass. That person has also been isolated and kept in GH in quarantine. The next set of 2 cases comes from contacts of a previous case which had one lady who had travelled from Dehradun, and these are the contacts of a previous case in the PK Salai area. They were in home quarantine, their samples were taken as they were primary contacts of a previous case. So these 2 people have turned out to be positive. So total today, which takes the tally to 7. As I have already mentioned, the total number of active cases in Karaikal is now 18 in 11 containment zones. So as of now, we have 11 active containment zones. The broader thing which I would like to share with all of you is that the dominant experience has been that all the people who have come from hotspot areas like Chennai or via Chennai, they are turning out to be positive. I request all the people in Karaikal, if they have any information on people who are returning from Chennai or other hotspot areas, we have already opened a district helpline. They can give the information to the health authorities, to district administration, so that it helps us in our efforts to identify all such people and to contain the spread of this virus in the district. We all are aware that the spread of the virus is now at a very fast pace, especially in the nearby regions. Chennai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, they are recording a lot of cases daily. Karaikal district, now we need to maintain extra vigil and extra social distancing to go out of the way to ensure that the spread of the virus in the district is contained, kept to a minimum. These are times in which all of us have to come together and ensure that social distancing, masking, proper spread of information, compliance with the protocols, face masks, everything is followed properly. Another thing which we have observed in recent times, that sometimes we are getting messages of false information or wrong information being spread in social media regarding the condition of the active patients of COVID in GH Karaikal. Such informations must not be relied upon. I have spoken previously also to you. Today also we received some information that some wrong information was being spread on social media platforms. Police action will be taken against that person and that person will be booked under the relevant sections. I request all the people to not to believe in these messages. Do not create any undue panic. These are wrong messages from unauthorized sources, without any verification. All such people who are spreading these messages, who are creating these contents, will be booked not only under the DM Act but also under the IT Act, because that IT Act is also applicable on such people, and strong action will be taken. In the end, we would just like to say that through my friends of the media, the message is that please appeal to all the people to maintain social distance, to give information to district administration regarding all the people who are coming from hotspot areas, Chennai. Appeal to people to maintain the norms of home quarantine. People who are home quarantine should maintain the norms of home quarantine. Do not mingle too much. And if there is any additional information regarding people who have come from hotspot areas, please share it with the district administration at the earliest without any fear or favor. Thank you.